Morning student, today I will teach you class 8 lesson 17 science star and the solar system तारे और सौर परिवार। पहली and Boju visited their grandparents' village during the summer break. After dinner they went on to the roof on the house. It was a clear, cloudless night. They were surprised to see a large number of bright stars in the sky. जब परिवार के लोग और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स गांव के जो लोग थे वो समर वेकेशंस में जो समर सीजन्स में बैठे हुए थे ऑन द हाउस की रूफ पर और उन्हें क्लियर स्काई दिख रहा था नाइट में और उन्हें चमकीले तारे दिखाई दे रहे थे। दे हैड नेवर सीन सच अ ब्यूटीफुल सीन इन देयर सिटी और उन्हें सिटी में एक सुंदर सा सीन दिखाई दे रहा था। पहली वंडर वाई द विलेज स्काई वाज नो डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नाइट स्काई इन बिग सिटीज। हर ग्रैंडफादर एक्सप्लेन दैट ड्यू टू ब्राइट लाइट smoke and dust the sky in big cities in very clear. He also identified some objects seen in the night sky and told stories associated with them. Night sky watching can be a fascinating experience at a place where there are no bright light and the atmosphere is clear. Look at the sky on a dark clear night. You see the entire sky dotted with countless stars, some bright and some not so bright. Observe them carefully. Do all of them appear to twinkle? Do you find any star-like object which does not twinkle? The objects which do not twinkle are planets. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. The stars, the planet, the moon, and many other objects in the sky are called celestial objects. The study of celestial objects and associated phenomena is called astronomy. In ancient Ida, our ancestors performed methodical observations of sky. Their knowledge of astronomy was highly advanced for their time. Pass of the sun, star, moon, and planet in the sky helped them to devise calendars and almanacs. These were often used by people in their day-to-day conduct and a better understanding of climate and rainfall patterns for timely sowing and choice of crops, fixing the date of season and festival. Let us also make some observation of celestial objects and learn about them. The moon. Is there a change in the shape of the moon every day? प्रत्येक दिन मून का शेप चेंज होता है. Are there days when the shape of the moon appear to be perfectly round? Are there days when the moon cannot be seen at all, even if the sky is clear? The day of which the whole disk of the moon is visible is known as the full moon day. Thereafter, every night the size of the bright part of the moon appears to become thinner and thinner. Of the 15th day, the moon is not visible. This day is known as the new moon day. The next day, only a small portion of the moon appears in the sky. This is known as the crescent moons. Again, the moon grew larger every day. On the 15th day, once again, we get a full view of the moon. The various shapes of the bright part of the moon as seen during a month are called phases of the moon. Phases of the moon play an important role in our social life. Almost all festivals in India are celebrated according to the phase of the moon. For example, Diwali is celebrated on the new moon day. Buddha Purnima and Guru Nanak birthday are celebrated on full moon day. Mahashivratri is celebrated on 13th night of waning moons. Eid ul-Fitr is observed on the day following the saturday of crescent moons. Let us Try to understand why place of moon occur. You have studied in chapter 16 that the moon does not produce its one light whereas the sun and other stars do. We see the moon because the sunlight falling on it gets reflected toward us. We therefore see only that part of the moon from which the light of the sun is reflected toward us. Remember that the moon revolves around the earth. The अर्थिंग हमेशा याद रखना कि जो मून होता है वो अर्थ के चारों ओर चक्कर लगाता है. विद द मून revolves around the sun. Can you now causes the relative position of the sun, moon and the earth of the day of the full moon and of the day of the new moon? Scratch these positions in your notebook. In which part of the sky would you look for the full moon? The size of the illuminated part of the moon visible from the earth increase each day. After the new moon day, after the full moon day, the sunlit part of the moon visible from the earth decrease in size every day. The moon complete a rotation on its axis at its complete on revolution around the earth. The moon surface. The moon is fascinating object for poets and storytellers, but when astronauts landed on the moon, they found that the moon surface is dusty and barren. There are many craters of different sizes. It also has a larger number of steep and high mountains. Some of these are as high as the highest mountain on the earth. The moon has no atmosphere. It has no water. मून पे न तो वातावरण और न पानी है. Can any life exist of the moon? The stars. What other object do you see in the night sky? There is a large number of stars in the sky. Observe carefully on a dark night and from a place away from a big city. Are all the stars equally bright? Are they of the same color? In fact, stars emit light on their own. The sun is also a star. Why does it appear so large compared to the other star which appears bigger? A football pitch near you or a football pitch at distance of 100 meters. The stars are millions of times further away than the sun. Therefore, the stars appear to us like points. In fact, the stars are present in the sky during the daytime also. However, they are not visible then because of the bright sunshine. Observe some prominent star or a group of stars in the sky for about 2 hours or more. What do you find? Do you find any change in the position star in the sky? You will find that the stars appear to move from east to west. A star which rises in the east in the evening sets the west in the early morning. Why do stars appear to move from east to west? Let us find out. Paheli recalls that when she in a moving train, the nearby trees and buildings appear to move in the backward direction. If the star appear to move from east to west, could it mean that the earth rotates from west to east? There is actually a star, the fourth star, which is situated in the direction of the earth axis. It does not appear to move. Constellations. Look at the sky for some time. Can you see some stars forming group with shapes like those in the stars? Forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called a constellation. You can exactly identify some constellation in the night sky. For this, you should know that a particular constellations looks like and where to look for in the night sky. One of the most famous constellations which you can see during summertime in the early part of the night is Ursa Major. It is also known as the Big Dipper, the Great Bear of the Saptarishi. There are 7 prominent stars in the constellation. It appears like a big ladder or the question mark. There are three stars in the handle of the ladle and for its wall. In our Asian culture, very interesting mythological stories have been associated with the various constellations. In fact, all the stars appear to revolve around the pole star.